Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a cupcake. Yeah, let's get started. Grab some paper and something to draw with and come draw along. Okay, we're gonna start with the top of the cupcake, but we're gonna start with a little cherry on top. Just a little circle, and then we're gonna draw a line for the stem. Perfect. Next, we're gonna draw a couple little lumps on the side, and a couple little lumps on this side, and a line straight down to close it off. Let's draw two lines going kind of inward, and then a curved line at the bottom, just like that. Next, let's add some round eyes and close off with the pupils. Good job. To finish the eyes, we're gonna add some eyebrows and give our little cupcake a little smile. Oh, that's so cute. Maybe some round little cheeks on the side. Perfect. I think our cupcake needs some lines on the frosting and some little legs and arms. And there we have a cute little cupcake character. All right. Okay, before you go, let's draw one more cupcake, and maybe an older grumpy cupcake. Let's give it a try. Let's start again with our cherry. Just like that. And let's do our frosting now. It's kind of a little crazier. Let's do the base of our cupcake. There, now we have our cupcake shape. For our frosting details, let's just add a couple little lumps around, like that. Okay, for our grumpy cupcake's eyes, we're gonna do a straight line and two rounded lines underneath. And then draw the pupils of the eyes on the side. Then a curved line and a straight line for the grumpy mouth. Then a couple legs, some arms, a couple little details. Let's give this cupcake some squiggly hairs coming out from the side of its frosting. And there we have a grumpy cupcake character. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Hey, come back again real soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!